Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Jojo with
And Shrutspa.
what's up?
What happened? Sabse pehle tell me, what happened to your finger? Why do you have that blue little band-aid on it?
I hurt my nail.
It's a very cool band-aid, but I like it. I only wanted to
Hello?
ask about the band-aid actually.
I have a pack of blue band-aids. I love them. So now I find any excuse to put them on. So even if there's not any deep cutters, like I want to put, and then everyone will ask you, and it's like, I got hurt. Sympathy points happen. So yay. But no, there are some very cool band-aids out there. Can I just say they have like
I know.
marble band-aids and all, which I was very excited, but then I thought it was zyada ho jayega. So then I just got the blue
No,
ones.
Wonder Woman ki band-aid. Get it.
No.
Ah.
No. This is as much as it goes. But yes, let's just get to business. It is Baba Yaga time. Baba Yaga. Baba Yaga. You know,
Love
there
the
was.
story of Baba Yaga.
Can I tell you something? There was
Yes.
one of my classmates in my uni years in Spain. There was this Nigerian guy called Baba, and he was the sweetest guy. But anytime something went wrong in class, like the professor's pen is not working or something falls or something, everyone in the class would go Baba, like it was his fault, and the poor guy would just be like, "What did I do?" So all of us automatically, anything falls, anything drops, something crashes, you're like, Baba. So anyway.
Baba Yaga is a Russian thing, right? Like
Is
it's,
it?
it's
I
that
don't know.
Russian story. Yeah, about this crooked,
I don't
nose,
know.
crooked lady who's called Baba Yaga. Okay.
Let's Google it before we get into the song so that if it is,
Yeah.
then we know the
Sure.
content. Oh, yeah, it's a supernatural
Yeah.
being who appears as a deformed or ferocious looking old woman in Slavic culture.
Yeah.
Acha.
I love
How you know all
Baba
this?
Yaga.
Acha.
Arey, I'm everything fiction only. Like just talk about
yeah,
anything
figure
fiction,
out.
I'll tell you. Yeah, I love
She-
Baba Yaga stories.
Okay, nice. But the minute I hear the word Baba, the only Baba comes up. Shout out to Baba. I know he lives in Florida now, so
Baba,
yay.
what is this,
Yeah,
Baba?
he's
Very bad, Baba.
Baba. Poor
He's gonna
thing.
hate you for this.
He's
This
always,
stranger
he was
called
like, what
Baba.
did why does everyone keep calling me? So funny. Okay, let's focus. Baba Yaga, the music is by Raftar and Karma, writer and rapper. Chalo, let's do it. Director Grimm. Okay.
See, Baba Yaga and Grim Reaper. What else going on? What is this? Okay, come on, let's do
Okay, focus. 1, 2, 3, play.
Baba Yaga. Baba Yaga. Baba Yaga.
चेक निकनेम बाबा यागा करियर नहीं बना रहा हूँ बनती है यहाँ सागा सिंपल सीधा बंदा हूँ जीवन बिता रहा सादा पर जब भी कोई उछले तो दिखा दूँ उसकी जगह वादा मैं जो चीजें करता वो चीजें योर लवर कैन शॉट लेनी की नहीं सोच यहाँ पे पूरा मर्डर प्लान मुझ पे बात आए मेरे फैंस को दे कवर डैम पावर इतनी बैंक जेब में कैद है पावर बैंक मैं जब से आया तब से हाइप में ब्रो तू नींबू चाट बैठ के मैं लाइम लाइट में ब्रो है मेरे साथ फिनिक्स तेरे साइड में करो माइक पे आऊं जैसे माइक आई फाइट में ब्रो यू वांना फाइट मी ब्रो 7-15 रैपर लाके पर वो आना नहीं चाहेंगे क्योंकि उनको मरना नहीं है चाहे वो जो भी है 15 है ये साले 15 लाख है उनको भी पता है उनमें से कोई भी कर्मा नहीं है चेक निकनेम बाबा यागा करियर नहीं बना रहा हूँ बनती है यहाँ सागा सिंपल सीधा बंदा हूँ जीवन बिता रहा सादा पर जब भी कोई उछले तो दिखा दूँ उसकी जगह वादा निकनेम बाबा यागा करियर नहीं बना रहा हूँ बनती है यहाँ सागा सिंपल सीधा बंदा हूँ जीवन बिता रहा सादा पर जब भी कोई उछले तो दिखा दूँ उसकी जगह मेरा भाई तेरा हाइप तेरा लाइट लेरा फाइट तेरा भाई तेरा बाइट तेरा लाइस का सप्लाई तेरी लाइफ में तन्हाई मेरी फ्लाइट है टुनाइट पूरा वाइट वेतन आए तेरा बाइट में कमाई घर बदला नंबर बदला माइंडसेट वही काफी सारे धोखे झेले फीलिंग सारी डेड बॉय डैडी के बिजनेस से नहीं खुद से करा सेट बॉय अब मेरा मंथली जो है तेरा नेट अब पेंटेलून से पेंटेलून और बिल दूं जैसे क्लिंटन हूँ मैं ढंग की जगह सेटल हूँ नकली जमा तो फेटल हूँ तेरा दून का मेरा खूंची के सब जहाँ मैं चलूँ वादे बोले के लेजेंड हूँ वादे बोले के मेंटल हूँ निकनेम बाबा यागा हंसी काफी आई यूं ने जब मैंने कहा था कि रैप भी करूंगा चाहे जॉब छूटे कोर्स छूटे या बोले के जिलता नहीं हमसे तेरा धमाका सो हियर वी गो निकनेम बाबा यागा करियर नहीं बना रहा हूँ बनती है यहाँ सागा सिंपल सीधा बंदा हूँ जीवन बिता रहा सादा पर जब भी कोई उछले तो दिखा दूँ उसकी जगह वादा निकनेम बाबा यागा करियर नहीं बना रहा हूँ बनती है यहाँ सागा सिंपल सीधा बंदा हूँ जीवन बिता रहा सादा पर जब भी कोई उछले तो दिखा दूँ उसकी जगह वादा yeah Raftar on the beat Karma
bad.
बाबा यागा करियर नहीं बना रहा हूँ बनती है यहाँ सागा सिंपल सीधा बंदा हूँ जीवन बिता रहा सादा पर जब भी कोई उछले तो दिखा दूँ उसकी जगह वादा nickname बाबा यागा
Vada. Listen, I is the lovings totally like it. Like I really
Raftaar on the beat,
And
man. I loved it.
Like, wow,
Freaking loved
wow.
it. Ding, 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 ding.
and how he was changing it up. No, it was a very nice beat. I really like it. Sometimes I feel like these ऐसे वाले गानों के ना ऐसे part 1, part 2, part 3. When you saga बोल रहा है, तो अगर saga के Baba Yaga की saga like part 2, part 3, just so that we can also hear the beat again. Sometimes the beat just in one song isn't enough. Like, you know, like when you can feel that the beat could be like so much more and you're loving it so much like that.
You just
But,
want a Baba
should-
Yaga series, no?
Why not? I know.
So that
But
one
then,
woman pops up in one video for
No,
you.
no, here Karma was that.
Karma was that. Uska nickname hai. Did you know? I can't believe that's his nickname. Really? सिर्फ गाने में लिखा है. I'm sure it's not really his
Sure.
nickname. हाँ.
हाँ,
Okay.
हाँ.
Fine.
मतलब
Go
कितने
on.
nicknames होंगे? Karma itself was the name, which is a nickname, no? But listen, when he was getting pitted in the video, I was
Very
like, okay,
bloody.
metaphorically, I get it. That, you know, कि पूरी दुनिया थप्पड़ मारी है, पूरी दुनिया is coming down and bashing you up, but he's still rising. Like how he said कि मेरे पास phoenix, तेरे पास कौवा.
It's so
like,
funny.
You know, how that's so funny.
तेरे पास कौवा.
But all this is happening, and then how that bit where he gets electrocuted in the end, and then he's got that, you know, whatever pencil in his hand, and he kind of gets up and then he's loose, right? He kills with the pencil and then he's loose. Did he kill with the pencil or not? I missed that bit. I didn't understand.
I also missed that bit, and I was wondering, कि pencil से he opened his hands. Like, how does that work? Pencil से you can't
Yeah.
open.
Or I was like, maybe they're trying to show कि उसको shock नहीं लगा because like wood is a conductor. And I was like, ज़्यादा हो रहा है, like rubber की चप्पलें दूसरे ने पहनी हुई है. And I was like,
No, that's possible. Listen, there's logic in that. Because of
I
the
know.
pencil, उसको shock नहीं लगा. I'm sure. Very
shock
nice.
तो लग रहा था. कुछ तो हुआ,
Scientific
but suddenly he turned
explanations.
into-
I like
suddenly he
it.
turned into Baba Yaga. है ना?
हाँ.
And like he got up and then he just wrote album question mark. भाई album कब आएगी? गाना तो ठीक है.
Album तो आ
Just I
गई.
started laughing.
Now we know.
Like yeah. But yeah, तो मतलब थोड़ा मुझे थोड़ा कुछ चीजें मिसिंग लगी. लगता है maybe I didn't understand. Like end में थोड़ा कुछ loopholes थे. But I did like the whole fact that he's basically no one can keep him down. So the world is kind of, you know, the person जो bash up कर रहा है is the world metaphorically, and he's still rising up against it. Because initially I was like, ये बोल रहा है if you get me down, I'll still rise up. लेकिन ये तो कितना पिट रहा है? हो क्या रहा है?
Yeah.
So yeah, then of course I knew by the end of it he's gonna rise up. But music really nice, lyrics really nice. Karma, the way his flow and the way he was speaking, and you know he's got this whole पिछले कुछ गानों से, especially I think इस album में there is that whole truth serum का injection जो अभी लग गया है ना. Everything he's talking is like you know when you're speaking the truth for even things that you're feeling low about, but you just put it out there and देखी जाएगी. That kind of a vibe has come into his songs, I feel. So how he said ना, what is that line? आधे बोले मैं whatever and दूसरे बोले पागल. It was very like when the world is divided against you, but you don't care. You're just like, जो बोलना है जो बोलो, ठीक है. You know, I'm creating a saga. So yeah, enough of that. Please, Jojo, what did you feel?
I mean, there's nothing much to say. I really like the whole like hook ka char lines. It was nice. Nickname Baba Yaga. But the thing is, the beat is what kept this going for me. I freaking loved it. You know, one of the best like I think beats produced by Raftaar that I've heard. Instantly grabs you and keeps you with the track from start to finish. So that, and then Karma, because now we are from the future past, we are from the future past, so we know Karma's future songs. Now we're going to his past. So I'll just say we are from the future and we are revisiting the past. And so like for me, the lyrics were kind of on the lines of what we've heard now in the album, which he teases at the end of this song. So I feel like I mean, the guy's got bars, he's got the references, the double entendres, all that is happening, the flows, you know, there's nothing to say about that we haven't already said. In this again, because this was in the past, it's just a very I can see like this would have been a big massive hit when it came out. Like we would have loved the writing in this, and there is a lot of insane writing in this. मेरा भाई तेरा हाइप तेरा लाइट तेरा फाइट तेरा भाई तेरा बाइट तेरा लाइस का सप्लाई तेरी लाइफ में तन्हाई मेरी फ्लाइट है तो टुनाइट पूरा वाइट वेतन आए तेरा बाइट में कमाई Oh, so
Yeah.
like it's so Karma, and like we love this this unique this thing that Karma does in his
Right.
songs with these like how do you call it, these short syllabics or short word sentences and things like that.
Correct.
So all
Yeah.
that I really enjoyed, just the beat, man. The song I'll just play it and I'll just vibe to it, like
And it's also this song ka lyrics. There was this one part where he also spoke about no that sabne kaha tha ki main kar nahi paunga, and
mm,
how they laughed at me when I told them कि मैं course नहीं करूँगा, ये नहीं करूँगा, वो नहीं करूँगा, करूँगा तो सिर्फ like rap.
rap.
And like everyone laughed at me, but it's amazing. It's the same stuff. We've heard him say it before, but the way he had said it, in the way that you were saying, no, how he gets these, I don't know, 1.5, 2.5 beat wali jo is rhythm ke andar, he catches it and then he kind of sticks to it. It's
Yeah.
amazing. Like I kind of really enjoyed it. Or maybe it's
Mm.
just after a really long time that we're listening to Karma. So,
Yeah,
it's
that
like,
is also there.
yeah, it was lovely.
I liked it. I liked it. Another one on the personal playlist. This one goes, and घर बदला नंबर बदला माइंडसेट वही काफी सारे धोखे झेले फीलिंग सारी डेड बॉय डैडी के बिजनेस से नहीं खुद से करा सेट बॉय अब मेरा है मंथली जो है तेरा नेट बॉय. There's a lot of fun lines, man. Okay, I'm gonna go through that stuff later. But yay, we like it. And I think so many Karma songs have been on the request list for a long time. I'm gonna get to them slowly one by one. This year is gonna be about all the songs that were requested for a long time. Rastafari is one of them, so it's coming. It's coming. Don't worry. It's gonna happen soon. But yay, keep dropping me recommendations on Instagram in my DMs, not in the comments. Handles below. Miss Bola's also on Insta. Handles right there. Please support the
Like, share,
channel.
subscribe.
Yeah, that really helps the channel grow. Would mean a lot. So those are the buttons. And take care of yourselves. Enjoy the winter. Unlike me, I've tried to enjoy it. Chalo, take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.
बाबा यागा करियर नहीं बना रहा हूँ